Hi everyone, welcome to the presentation of DiffTech, a tool for differencing similar technologies from question and answer discussions. This work is presented by Han Wang, Chunyang Chen, Zhenchang Xing, and Grundy. Nowadays, there are a diverse variety of technologies that are available for the developers to use. Similar technologies can be really frustrated if you are not familiar with them. So it becomes a problem of how can we help developers to make an informed choice when comparing alternative technologies. There are two current solutions. The first one is to try them out respectively. However, it is quite time-consuming and labor-expensive. The second one is to check someone else's opinion, like searching on blogs and Q&A websites. The problem with this is that sometimes it is hard to find them, or the comparison may not even exist. Even they do, they are still too fragmental and biased to the user's own opinion. During the usage of Stack Overflow, we find out that there are some comparisons exist in the post even the title are not related. So we decided to aggregate those comments together and build the DiffTech. Step 1 is to build comparative technology knowledge base. We first use the tag wiki from the Stack Overflow to learn tag embeddings. As can be seen in the picture, we extract all tags from each post and build a model with continuous back-of-words model. Then we mine the tag categories based on the tag's definition from tag wiki. And finally, for each two tags in the same category, we calculate the cosine similarity of them to determine if they are comparable. Then, in step 2, we locate the comparative sentences, measure the sentence similarity, and cluster the sentences. Given a sentence that contains both tags in a comparable pair, we use the post tagger to check if they match to the 7 comparative patterns we summarized. The patterns are conceptualized based on the definition of comparative forms, like better, faster, slower, and also based on our observation from the comparative posts. Once the comparative sentences are located, for each tag pair, we calculate the sentence similarity and produce a linked graph. And finally, we cluster the sentences based on the linked node graph. In step 3, we fine-tuned the BERT model to automatically predict the overall opinion for each comparative sentences, and then we aggregate the opinions to learn the overall preference for each tag pairs. And finally, we managed to collect 19,000 comparative sentences over 2,410 pairs of comparable technologies. With the data and information we collected, we built the DiffTech website. For each comparative technology pair, say tag A and tag B, our website demonstrates the clustered comparative sentences, a trend chart that tells you the popularity of each tag, and a pie chart to tell the overall recommendation based on the user's comparative opinions. This is a screenshot of our website comparing Emacs and Vim. Those are two popular text editors to use for developers. We can see that 56 of users support to use Vim, while 35 of them prefer Emacs. And we summarized 5 aspects to compare them. For more details, you can scroll down to view all the comparative sentences of the two editors. We believe that this tool can be beneficial to the developers when they need to decide which technology to use for their product, and also can help the students to learn and better understand the knowledge outside the uni course. Here is the website demo.